In this video, we're going to bring you 5 variations for the fold for your intermediate West Coast swing. My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
So first question is, what is a fold? It's a 6-count pattern. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So kind of starts a little bit like an inside turn. 1, 2, where I prep Megan. Then she rolls into this folded position, 3 and 4. Then we turn back around and anchor 5 and 6. So first we have to get good at that fold. Things to think about. 1, Megan's prep 2. I just drop the hand down as I'm turning her. 3 and 4, and let it kind of fold to that position. Then we triple 5 and 6. So that's the basic fold. But version number 2 is we just replace the anchor step with a sweep. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, sweep, 5, step 6. The fun thing about this one is Megan could sweep and I triple, or I could sweep while Megan triples. Either way, it's fine. We're back here 6 counts.
Which might happen with lead and follow dancing.
Yep. So there is no leading the sweep. It's just an optional extra for Megan or myself. Third is my favorite on this list. It's a sugar tuck, or a, well, now we know where we're going. Triple step into a sugar tuck and an anchor step. If we counted that again, we're going to get to 1, 2, 3, and 4 and freeze. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So at this point, we now have to start to be mindful of this hand, because if I just turn it back over, we have our basic version. However, if I turn it over and pull Megan out of her anchor, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we do this in triples or a sweep, it doesn't matter. 5 and 6. Now we're in a sugar tuck position, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I'm going to fix the hand. We'll try that again. Get to count 4 and freeze. 1, 2, 3, and freeze. Now I need to turn her back to me, triple step, to bring this hand up. Where my right foot lands doesn't matter so much as me getting the tuck position. Then we have a triple step and an anchor step. So my right foot is just going to land wherever the heck it needs to land. If I'm doing this the coolest way possible, 3 and 4, I probably sweep into this, a sugar tuck and an anchor step. That is version 3. Megan brought to us version 4, which is an over rotation using this same over rotation with the sweep, triple step, and anchor step. Let's talk about how we get there. Same principle, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Being mindful of this in 4. So Megan right now is feeling a little bit of that pressure where I'm going to take her, I'm exaggerating with my body. We're both going to sweep, triple step. Again, where my right foot lands, really just make sure Megan's forward on her left foot. Inside turn and an anchor step. Let's do it back the other way, Miss Megan. Before we get to number 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. So from the follower's perspective, you're obviously feeling this. What's the next thing you're paying attention to?
I am paying attention to this hand.
This hand, it over-rotates, and I'm taking that energy to bring her out onto that left foot. Triple step, anchor step. So that would be 5 and 5A. If we did this with triples, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Or we could do this with the sweeps, triple step, anchor step. But what that does is it opens up the option for other things. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and pop-outs and things like that. And if you want to see how to add pop-outs in that position, you'll want to watch this video right here where we did a bunch of roll-in, roll-out variations off of that position. And if you haven't yet got our ebook, it's 200 tips and tricks to help you improve your West Coast swing. Totally free right here. It's awesome, and we'll see you on the dance floor soon.